Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the presence of so many heads of state or government here in Copenhagen is indeed a clear testament that the urgency of climate change, as well as the sincerity of purpose of the international community, has reached unprecedented heights.
President, there's a point of order.
Sorry, there's a point of order. Sorry, Brazil, please.
We have not received information on the report of the chair of the AWG-LCA. We have not received news of the texts prepared within the AWG-LCA negotiations, and yet references were made to new texts that would be presented under the authority of the presidency. So I would like to consult you on when the COP will open, when will we receive the report of the chair of the AWG-LCA, what is the situation regarding these texts, and when will discussion begin based on the negotiated texts of the AWG-LCA? Thank you.
I think the world is expecting us to reach some kind of agreement concerning climate change and not just continuing discussing procedure. I'm fully aware that many have asked for the floor, but then on the other hand, we have to move things forward. Okay, China, for a final remark before we move forward.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I think the matter is not just procedural. Actually, it's a very serious issue. It's a substance. It's the respect of the host for the 190, at least 92 parties. This is part and dream process. You can't just put forward some text from the sky.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think we should continue. As I have emphasized, and as the Executive Secretary has emphasized, there's a meeting in the COP at 1 o'clock, where it can be decided how to continue this process. I want to ensure the most distinguished speaker from China that it is absolutely not our intent to put any text on the table from the sky. First, we're not talking about one text, we're talking about two texts, fully respecting that this is negotiations in two tracks. Secondly, whatever we must decide to put on the table in order to get things moving, because people around the world is actually expecting something from us.
Chairman, sir, your observations did not address the question which was raised by G7 and China about the transparency and the text, sir. This text we had been working on since 7 a.m., till 7 a.m. in the morning today, and we were expecting, we were waiting for the LCA chair to give us his observations and the progress that we had made on the text.
Thank you. Bolivia have asked for the floor. Point of order.
Mr. President, this isn't a process problem. It's a problem of content, the content of the text which has just been presented this morning. Since that content is not the outcome of a democratic process.
Thank you so much. I just wonder how you can make references to a text this morning. At this stage, we haven't presented a text from the presidency. We haven't presented a text from the presidency. There is a meeting in the COP at 1 o'clock. We have indicated that it could be productive, based on the reports from the two working groups, to move things forward via a Danish proposal. But at this stage, we haven't presented a text. I think then we should move forward now. I really urge you to accept that we now start the list of speakers. Thank you so much.